Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, it's weekend. We have here in this weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, March the 2nd and the 3rd, 2024. Here also, March the 2nd. Let me zoom this. 2024. We have here two regular puzzles. The first one is the Medium Sudoku. I will solve this in a minute. Tomorrow evening, on Sunday, I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. Alright, and we have here also a puzzle page. Saturday, yes. Puzzle page here with 6 extra puzzles, 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 1 killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, and 1 tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. 6 extra puzzles. In the evening, I will solve 4 of them, not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And we have here the additional for tomorrow afternoon on Sunday. We have here 7 extra puzzles: letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudoku, 1 with 4 stars and 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. Alright. But first, this medium Sudoku. Let me show you the medium Sudoku. And this will be number 8111. Yeah, 8111. Zoom this. Alright, let me position the camera. 8111. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow. This one has 26 printed digits. 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, 3 minutes already passed, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 4. I should be there. There's a lot of 7s here. Need a 1 here, need a 6. 6 in the 3rd row, 6 in the 2nd row, so in the 1st row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, with 3 and 8 in the 3rd row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright. 4, 4. Okay, and now need a 5 here. 5, 5. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. We have a pair, the 1 and a 5 in this row. The 1 and a 5 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So I need a 7 here. Okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 7. I'm thinking. 6. No, 6 should be there. 2. 6, 7. Yeah, I'm still thinking. 4, 5. 5, 1. 4, 5. Need a 5 here. About 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. 8. Need an 8 there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Need an 8 here. Well. Overlook this 8. 3 and 8. We already have 8 there in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 3 goes there. Yeah. Overlooked. So we need an 8 here then. Okay. 8, need an 8 there. I'm thinking. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 4 there. 7, need a 7 here. 7, need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. And here. Need a 7 here. Okay. Need a 9 here. I'm thinking. 2, 7. Need a 6 here. Come on. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 8, 8. I want a 3. Need a 3 here. 3, 3. 3. Ay. This is taking too long. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Alright. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So the last row, only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 9, could be here, could be there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so the last column, only 2 places left for the 6, could be here, could be there. Need an 8 here. Okay, and now, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this second column, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Need a 1. Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digital 1, number 8. The 1 here. 1. Need a 1 there, okay. 1. Need a 1 here. How about 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9. In the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 should be there then. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have 1 and 5 in this column. So no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4, 4, okay. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, and now 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. Yeah. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yeah, I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there then. Alright. Then 7, need a 7 here. Then, no 2 here, no 2 there, need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this row should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright. We need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. 1, 3, and need a 5. Could be everywhere. Need a 9. 9 should be here. Okay. How about let me see. 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 4, 4. 2, 2, 2, 6, 6. Alright. 4 and 2 numbers left in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this column. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. And 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left. Should be the 1. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this column from number, I believe the 7. 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. Need a 5 here, okay. Then 3 and 7. 2 numbers left in the first column for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this row, middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now in the middle row. So no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. Minus 3 minutes, actually. But, yeah, definitely a 2 stars puzzle, and we solve it again. I've moved the camera, apologies, a little bit. Yeah, I moved the camera, so apologies. It's not recorded the whole image, but we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.